Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Tuesday, April 7th. Well, we saw some follow through in these stock indices, a little bit of glimmer of hope in terms of the number of cases, not only in the United States, but also in Italy. Still have a ways to go. We have to be very cautious of this. Let's see if we can get the right technical pieces to come together to have continuation of an uptrend. The next 2 to 3 days are going to be very important for us, but we'll be looking at that together. Let's talk about what's happening with the S&P. It traded above that green line, the bullish level, and the previous bearish level is the red line you see here. And again, this is just as a reference to give you a feel of the magnitude of change or the dollar change there. That's $750 in the S&P, and down here in the Dow, this magnitude of change here in that market, $500, and over in the Russell. The magnitude change between this bullish level and that bearish level, again, as a reference, is $1,500 a contract. Now let's move on and let's take a look at what's happening with the currencies. The Aussie dollar traded above its bullish level. Now the magnitude change there in that market is $400 a contract. It does imply further movement to the upside. Let's see if those buyers can get the job done. The 30-year bonds traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change, again, just as a reference in that market, is $1,125 a contract, and I do look for further movement to the downside. Copper firmed up. I'm skeptical of this market. It doesn't really have fundamental drivers at this point. I am bullish longer term. This does have a bullish bias. Let's see if those buyers can make something happen here. I'd be surprised if they can, though. And when we look at crude oil, it traded in this market below its bearish level. The magnitude change here between that bullish and bearish level in that market is $4,000 a contract. And I'm looking for an inside day on Tuesday. Well, in the grains, wheat made another attempt at new highs, but it's backing off. I'm very skeptical of a long-term up move here in this market. Sideways to even lower makes more sense. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Stay well and take care.